Hello, my name is Professor James McNamara. I am the Lighting and Sound Design Professor at Westfield State University. This is Introduction to Theater, Theater 104, meeting on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This semester we will be doing a combination of online and synchronistic and asynchronistic learning. We're going to be utilizing Play-Doh. A lot of you have probably found this to be what's happening with most of the professors here this semester, but I just wanted to give you a little tour of what we're going to be doing. So Introduction to Theater is satisfies your core art appreciation class. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be reading plays, we're going to be analyzing plays and discussing how they might work in performance. You're going to be doing some work from the point of view of designer, from the point of view of director, from the point of view of playwright, and you're going to be doing some different little things. This semester obviously is going to be a little bit different, so we're going to be figuring it out as we go along. A lot of my projects were hands-on, in-person group projects, and I'm pivoting this semester for obvious reasons. But just so you can get familiar with this, you can message me, you can post and ask the instructor, you can email me. Our weeks are going to be set up fairly simply. Week 1 will be, you'll have all of the projects here that you need to watch. Week 2, there's nothing in week 2, but that will change. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask the instructor. Please start here, right? Course information. Please take a look at the syllabus and the textbook that we will be using. Any questions, reach out to me via email or in the Ask the Instructor discussion forum. Thank you very much, and I'll see you this semester.